Welcome to my vlog today, and for today's video, we're here in Intramuros, Manila. This wall is considered as one of the best attractions here in Intramuros, and we'll go ahead and discover what's inside. This location is free of charge, so you can go anytime, anywhere, you know. And during weekdays, it's better because there are no people roaming around. Tell you honestly, I'm trying to cover my nose because it's so very smelly. I'm amazed that they have a coffee shop at this place, and it's amazing to see that there are thriving businesses at this location. Thank you so much for watching my vlog today.